How to fix Kawai app not opening. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble getting the Kawai app to open, don't worry. I'm here with some quick steps to help you fix it so you can get back to using the app. So let's get started. First, make sure your Kawai app is up to date. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Kawai and check if there is an update available. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Next, restart the app. Sometimes all it takes is a fresh start. Close the app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps. Then try opening it again. Next, clear cache. For Android users, clearing the app's cache can help. Go to Settings, then tap on Application, then go to Kawai and select Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that could be causing the issue. iPhone users can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to refresh it. Next, restart your device. If the app still won't open, restart your device. A quick reboot can clear minor issues that might be blocking the app from opening. Next, make sure you have enough storage on your device, as low storage can prevent apps from opening. You can go to Settings, tap on Storage and delete unnecessary files or apps if needed. And that's it. These steps should help you get the Kawai app working again. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.